Let's start with the basics. How do you import a loop and make it match tempo and pitch? I usually use Splice, so I just drag it in and here click for musical mode so it matches the tempo. And if it needs pitching, I'll just go here in the info line to transpose it. But just dragging and dropping a loop, that's not much fun at all. So to make it fun, you can, for example, add it to a sampler track. I have this one. Create a sampler track, click slice and activate it. And then I like to set it to grid and choose my grid here. And now you can just play the slices on your keyboard and create something new. And then I like to render it and mess with it some more. And if you have a one-shot sample instead of a loop, you can do different things too. You can play it as an instrument. One way is to create a loop and set it so it plays one smooth note. Or like I did here, this is just the sound of a rubber band. I took out the attack, gave it some glide. I added some effects and played it like a pluck. Then another one of my favorites, just have the loop on a track, and it could be an imported loop, but you can also play your own melody and then make that more interesting. So I'll have snap on and set my grid to however small pieces I want. Then take the split tool, hold Option or Alt, and cut at the beginning. If I cut here, it'll do 1 bar slices. If I cut here, it'll do 2 bar slices, and so on. So let's do 1 bar. Then shift double click on the first one to select, control click, and reverse. And then from here, you can do a million things, but it already sounds more interesting. Next, I love a vocal loop on a beat. And there are a few tricks to make it sound extra nice. So I'll go to Splice, type vocal chops. And then I don't really care about the tempo because I'll very likely re-chop the vocal chop anyway. But for the key, I'll take the relative key of the key that my music is in. That's the cheat code. So if the beat is in C# major, I'll look for a vocal chop in A# minor. It always works. But if you want to start from a regular vocal and make your own vocal chops, find one or sing one that's a couple of notes lower or higher than the music, because when you pitch it to match the music, the character of the voice will change, and that's what makes it sound like a vocal chop. So let's do this one.
Baby, can you focus on me, 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 me?
Pitch it up.
Can you focus on me, 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 me?
Change the formant.
Baby, can you focus on me, 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 me?
And then when you've chopped it, add a bunch of reverb, delays, all of that. And I also like automating the formant. But I hope that helped. For more production techniques, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching and have fun making music. Bye.